Big flood coming.
This is a monster, bro.
Yeah, it is. Oh, you can really smell it.
There it is.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, shit. Run.
Big one.
Run.
Run.
Yeah, run.
Here it is. There it goes. Whoa! Whoa! Stopped right here. You got it? Wow! That was awesome! Wow! Smell that!
It's coming up still, bro. Back up.
Yeah. Still coming up. Here's the edge. Big flash flood. You try to get the vehicle down, or is that? Whoa. I mean, those rocks would break your femur so fast.
Yeah, those rocks are probably this big, dude. That
Oh.
thud. As the flood gets established, it'll start undercutting the bank all the way upstream, just along the drainage. And as it undercuts the bank, you have huge chunks of dirt that fall in with trees and all kinds of other debris. And then so after a while, you'll start actually seeing trees float by in this flood. It's amazing. Here comes a big branch right here. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, that was awesome! Wow, smell that!
It's coming up still, bro. Back up.
Still coming up. Here's the edge. Big black flood. Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, bro. That was whoo, twice as large as I anticipated.
That was amazing.
That was 2 times larger than I anticipated.
Run!
I wasn't joking, dude. That thing was hauling ass.
That's incredible.
And it had to
Thank you for that. That wave is moving a bit.